Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka Net Foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Uba Alan West Karkongor ubalong unong to kubor berem bat ubala pele jingmot yamanta ban kenti ya ka kam junga kai parthai ya ka jalla ka laifu iterik ursa arjar puar ula penia so yala de bat ka sengsan parthai National People's Party ka jialang ka balalong ha office re kam jongka party hanong ba shilong Yoba Alan West Karkongor la pedang soba da National President ka party Conrad Kongkal Sangma ringkat kejia sakilang jong State President ka party Dr. W.R. Kharluki bat kiwi da ginong yalam bakhman jong ka party Hakani kejia lang State President jong ka party Dr. W.R. Kharluki ula penbenaru bala penkamti ya ketiket uba Alan West Karkongor nagabenta ban aireng ha ka election syaka ying dorbar tau an ke jela ka ban salong House nam Arjar Fulai Nasora constituency
Pinga arung parti yang jurung kulmar arung nam tagikam ti hakiti por ka election mangaru Arjar kendai te kapor ko balingkon na khamjom tamang ayo abot ba nisu ho ifing kumpul pisaru unlike kiwe tagi beriu nakaktin kathlit basa jong kisngap ngayo alai hajar praspa sanpu abot tang hapo andru bunai tinrai kapor kam sia ngaru ngarem tengali phai no sakowi kakam hai tu kipor kala sedang hi ka tourism tang makarus ka tourism makasti jungi itu kipor dang kot tang haslom suara mau nong ngaladon ndai ngai ko wiga lat kalingti ban enhance segi ekonomi jong kinong gendong nga sedang ya ka Megalia Rural Tourism Forum na kuwa bagan ni kam jong kai perthai kan rung sa kinong gendong bagan leyu bagan ai kam ai khaw iki ani tu hana handian apor mga sedang i project ng tiap pokun madan hausnam arjar khatlai ka sarkar ka sinai ko ga yeng ka IT iba hamla penian marhakat ki por hasora ki ong ya kan ka kam tourism mla re ki tenong sora menya tre hap tre ki jong pa Dennis ki jong tipriwal kim don confident basically nga sedang itu project ban instill confident ki priuba mangiru ngila nga di walai itu kipor gidon tanglai teli guest house ngala banyo perteng niru ba Dennis with due respect to him he was the pioneer in Sora baar 10 orchid gidon ni iba one fine try ngadi basaw gidon tang southly in a span mentadi arhajar arhuar minus covid in the span of newsnem sila ban mudur bahasa orang tendon cheese pak prapu artli ki guest house pat ki hotel ki ba penjat ki traisnong cheese pak prapu ar into kai do saw on an average kajing aikam ke tourism hasoram di siu bakai na kata-kata nga phaimat hasoram tam de banya election banya sina footpath banya ai samtan tinyeng kumakalong hasora mental kuma wilayah tap lani wilayah klong pisan ng tourism dang lai 4% dang don sa new po nang takadang ang makwa banlit sa tiya banya plan ba bang klong sa kani new 4% teka ba sutunat ba na phaipat sa party kabangurong mga gitu kipor NCP subujili uniform mo ndai ba per kerteng kadai NPP kadai NCP kabas sutenar ba ngahapai buro be Dr. Kharluki under the leadership of our honorable Chief Minister malong ru National President la don khandai ngot ki MLA NPP hati po ang saong parti garo isuok ngai ngare mengang tiap suara ro bagi 4 priang ni kan parti tinrai fi hakani prothem ju don magic there's no magic don dejing tristom Bahkan no baka NPP Kayo hadu kandai ngot ki MLA mta ndon majik. To kadon kabor kataru dang don hi ta kajing kring tang ban I believe kadi kajing tristom hi. Mo betul. Jing tristom wan les siki hindiat mata. Ngarong ade uwi bapit kmat ha na kendong. Kani jing election jong ari dang wan kendet mata sa patay pi bale. Kani sarkar baka sakio kani kidan kikam bakal ale. Ngakan mau por pasyenti kani ka sarkar. Siya karwet di challenges kadi nam dai. Ngakan mau kami ka isu jong CAA hapo hayang ti isyamati ba gijinja ki ba ratba sudah gitu. Under the leadership of Sri Conrad A. Sangma, they have proven that they are a very strong government. Once after COVID, that was even challenging because it has never happened in the world. It was a challenge not only to him but even to the Prime Minister of USA or UK, President of America. They could not handle because it was a new thing. Somehow this government sailed through. I think we should congratulate RCM, the entire team. Hakan ika sarkar bagi lala bane ikani. Ngaru bam jurung kulmar ngapet fi. Newak daw te hubun kidaw fi. Sarkar ngasiong ka sarkar kepada kabor berbor siya ko mau. Tendai hapai kemat ruken diat sa kijing bah. Kakan mau kat bangadang dayu nong tok kubur kung kini haus nam kendai punyo hapor balik ibak kek baru mbak himanta hapo kanduli ngaso ba kata kada border dispute kan long no din sistem arsnem kata kada ilai haus nam mensua hamlong kan ik sarkar pamenta jing persya te don hi maka urlong perkhan mafi mensua ti por bay khlat ke India Bangladesh na yede ba persya mi orishu dinam dene mentai don khasi basa si banglarok yahun tinay perkhat itai problem tem koisu sino border dispute lala pan handle menta sakawai nga ngasa seorang asikin mau ipa si alam nga tipo nawan na yo banyalek selain kra magi bakha jo nga gido selain kra ngisi ya kiu bos nang tayo na po assembly ngasi pet fi ya katuka kuruburo ngaleng si ong hiti por di umot jo ngajing lera ngarang kena prasnem mendan balaan penulong itu mentah kala asyai ngayo asnom tayo nong train tayo di spa pamud kala urlo tinaktakadaw ngai pi ngam jurung partikul mar bat ngalai iru bangan ni sarkar jong Sri Conrad ba prestun kadai bala ban penurlong ba KKA ba prestun Sri Conrad ngathaya kajing angnu jogi nong saora ru fide ban pen iba fide ban penurlong
kadai kelat ke kobu hakaba nyinra ban wanra ay roy ko para ke state ke jongi. Number 1, ngautenat bandar rekat bat fi ba you are a job provider not a job seeker. Kai bangidon kam mentah ke state ke jongi ba nitip hi ba kam sarkar kala poi ke saturation point te ngkhotlang ban yubot ing nuksa ke jong phi bangiru ki khna samla bat kat kibala bangin persyang nang ni sekhmat belong ki job provider no more job seeker nang ta ka baar hoj kum boong ni kongres mene lai banai roi lai banai kadang bun balai nga ong kita u Dr. Don Cooper Roy belong chief minister jong state ki jong ingi hikai lang Synod College hakapor wile election khat kendai praphu pran katuka arms kaba kersan ke KSU usim lip how December election golong February ujob election bat hadian long chief minister yang state de lai benai dang yo dang bon ha kapor bat ar benai rujok Kesong tang kata kejing trai sitam bat ngai ngai do konrad umon don bola ban khang
ngi na kaliang ka parti ngi sngok men sibun ba way na ki professional ujoanya ka parti uba alan ngangit scam lada mnadei uba specialize ya kanono kalain nei ude specialist hakwe dei bat ka tourism sector de maki ki baseng ya ka MTDF gitu ki por but de makiru kiba aimen sim ya ki kun samla ya ki paitba jong ka thain sora ka thain penusla but kiwe ki jaka bangin ya yo kam yo jam kata ka de ka beton kam but kani ka ka juk ka bengi ong ya kerdu kam kendiat kisngi mana kini ki por tang kendiat akan ka tayo belala yo I ya ka seng bahalang ka ba pelong ya ka jengelang na kata ka unemployment problem. Ngakwa banong tang kaway na kaliang sorkar. Lada pidon kanu ka suggestion. Kajingkang jong ka sekretariat ka play. Omdei ba ka play Hamadan Malki lane Hamadan Polis Bejar. Ngi play jong kajingkang sekretariat singau bahawan. Mdei ba nilap meet kay Shobriu. Kata kadi kubur ka bangakwa man ay kabas long strong adu kata-kata. Meno ba pinong ba u Konrad baru prestun kim ju kendu yapi. Haba bu ka appointment mengi kendu ngilong ready bani kendu. Ai jingmut ngin ye keren. Bat ya ka ka badai. Naman ngi don hang ni mdei bangi kwa. Banong bakabaong mangi kabadelut nrengi kwa banong bakabaong mapiru day kabadey katakin ke sorkar namar ka sorkar ban syakri yaw pajba da upajba dengan kwa ban keren na kabasyay nagraw na kaliang jong ka party nga nga kwa banong sa sizin pa kajing kemen ga bakrao namar ba kajing wan jon jong ba alan kai mensim sibun yang ikum ka parti batru ya ka blueprint ga jong I ngi sibkia hado kata-kata nak ta daw ka bang kerpat ya pi kinong yalam jong ka parti kinong yalam nakaliang jong ibalan ibla jon ka parti tongin penpriang ya kena kubur. Lada pikwa banyo I baka kajingkela kendon. Hapo sora. Ban emla ban penyaklat ya sora bat kasila. Ngan syuong bet katan sora katan sila. Ngatrai kade kapor mentah. Bangin jit no yaki kandidat jong ka parti NPP. Bangin yo I ya kata ka jingkela namar hangte ka don ka pliang ksiar piong ka sora piong ka sila kade ka pliang ksiar syong satang ha ka jingnang ni jogi pajba ban pendon kam ya ka.
For him it's not about doing things just for the sake of doing it. He does it because he believes in it. He does it because he knows that he wants to do something to be able to change the people's life or be able to achieve that goal that he is planning to achieve. And that's the commitment and sincerity I see in him even today. And hence it's a huge blessing, not just for the people of Sora constituency, but for the National People's Party to have somebody like Ba Allen West, who has proven his mettle time and again in many different situations and circumstances. Be it the MTDF, be it the rural tourism projects that he's taken up, be it the entire process in which Kongtong village was discovered under him, a village which was already doing something great, but was not brought in the limelight till Ba Allen had taken up the cause. be it different issues, even as we speak today. The district issue for Sora was something that was very close to his heart. And even now he has taken this issue up, brought out a detailed presentation, discussed with all the stakeholders, took the trouble of bringing them to my office, showcasing to me where the issues lied and how we could move forward, which then compelled the government to re-examine the entire issue, asked the Chief Secretary to meet them. There are concerns about the district. I have mentioned it many times. But the commitment and the desire in his heart to be able to fulfill a goal that he takes up, this is another example of how he is continuously moving towards ensuring that whatever is good for the people, he is committed to it and is moving forward. Be it the different works in the road construction. I'm happy to tell you it's not that it happened because Allen West is joined today. But even few weeks back, in fact, when he had met me, he mentioned about the roads to Sora, and he said that some patches are still left and the work must be completed. And this was even before he had mentioned about joining the party. And from that time, because of the weather conditions, we were not able to start the work. But I had already initiated a discussion with PWD department, and it just so happens that on the day that he is joining the party, even the work for the Sora road, the part that is left, the work is started today. I just got a message from the chief engineer with some photographs. I think some of you while coming to Shillong must have seen that the work has started today. It's not that we planned it this way, but maybe God had a plan, that this is how we would like to welcome the people of Sora into NPP, how we would like to welcome Allen West. And I'm happy to see that all the issues that he has been taking up are actually moving forward. And we are seeing that because of his commitment to the cause for the people of his constituency, of his area, and for East Khasi Hills and for Meghalaya state as a whole, that commitment is bearing fruits today, and we are seeing result at the grassroots level. And this will require us to plan all the aspects of the restoration, and hence the involvement of locals, including the traditional heads, including the different social organizations, and including even different religious organizations, will be necessary to take this particular project forward. And Allen, being somebody who has got interest and somebody who's been working in the tourism sector, his inputs and his overall efforts into this particular project will be very crucial to see that this project actually moves in the right direction and is ultimately able to yield the right results that we have in mind. And hence, all of these things are falling into place as we speak. And that is the reason why I say that I'm truly happy today that Allen and his people have decided to join the National People's Party, and more importantly, decided to contest and be the official candidate of the NPP from the Sora constituency. Because a person like him, tomorrow, with God's blessing and with the support of the people of Sora constituency, if he becomes your MLA, it will not just be an MLA contribution at the MLA level, but he will be a person who will be able to contribute immensely towards taking the state forward, especially in the sectors of tourism.